So, I mean, I guess if I wanted to trick a couple friends and be like, hey, yo, the truck's overheating, I guess that's a good way to do it. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Brandon back at it with another video, and yes, we're definitely not at the home shop. We are working on my new truck. It's a 1990 K1500, and well, it ran when I got it. Training was bad, no third, fourth gear. You know, not a problem, rebuild it, slap another training in it. Well, it's got 385,000 miles. The motor, we have a wiring problem. It never even died on me, never had an issue with today. This is the first time it came up, and I'm glad I have my buddy Kean here with me to get this taken care of. This is pretty crazy. Well, we're gonna show you how to quickly overheat the engine and get free fuel. And I'm sure all of you are probably gonna love that now that Biden is in office, for those of you Republican lovers. Anyways, here we go. So this is how we are going to teach you how to overheat your engine quickly.
Yep, you just...
without even having to have it run.
Yeah, you just turn it off. Done. Gauges lights. When I did that earlier, your gauges light didn't even come on. Which is weird.
There we go. There we go. All right.
Signal does nothing. Push.
That's overdrive. Wait, no, that's cruise control. It's not even hooked up.
Nothing. Push. What about this?
The wipers?
Yeah.
Do it.
Nothing.
What? It's not even working.
Crank it all the way up. Nothing.
Yeah, we're just watching the temp gauge. We're just fiddling with it. Wait. I thought I saw something. I thought I saw the lights moving. Maybe not.
It's not working.
Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the free fuel. Okay, so it's nearly empty. Now we're just flipping the light switch, and you see, well, the fuel gauge on the top right is now full. And it is still there. If you guys are wondering if the battery is charged or not, it is running about 12.5 volts, which is a brand new battery. It's good enough. Anyways, you're gonna wonder why the heck this whole wiring harness is just rigged up. So we got, you know, half cut and spliced wires. We got exposed wires. Yes, the TBIs are off and the coil wire is off for a reason. It's flooded. Anyways, so it's gonna need a whole new wiring harness. I don't know if I should trust this now that it's giving me these kind of problems. I don't want to just die on me on the middle of the road. But anyways, it was gloss black. We're painting it Chrysler Hemi orange. Secret behind that, if you know me, I'm a little bit of a redneck, so Duke's a hazard, if you may. Anyways, thank you guys for now 200 subscribers. Big update. So I don't know what to say to that, but thank you all for those of you who are supporting the channel, giving us ideas, you know, giving us feedback on some of our, you know, videos and stuff, products we've reviewed, all that. And if you guys haven't seen yet, it is the financial mistake. And so far it's been half decent, but now that the wiring harness went kapooey, I am not sure what to say, but it's a Chevy. That's what it is. Another common issue with these trucks, look at that. Well, it was at 0.
Here, we can redo that real quick. And then.
Sounds about right. Problem number 356 with the Chevy.
Oh, shit, it actually locked.
Yeah, it's not even moving. And yet another thing that we noticed, if we watch the temp gauge a little bit, we're gonna flip each light switch. So right now it's just bottomed out. That's just marker lights. That's your headlights.
Hold up.
Hold up.
What was that?
Hold up. Why are the lights controlling the climate control right now? Turn it on.
Now it's not even doing it.
Is there actually power to the display?
No.
But the fans are running. What?
That's what that is. Oh, now I won't even do it. Hold up. Let's do this.
What the heck? I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's just a tiny little bit. What? In the air. Wait, look at that. The cap light's working.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh,
what?
Shit.
What in the world?
That's weird because the truck is off.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, well, we have a really bad wiring problem right now. 2 minutes later. Yeah, brand new. Whoa! 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 I just heard something sparking over here. Whatever you just did, something was shorting out. I think it's the actual coil.
Is it really?
Yeah, because it's really close to that post that I undid, and I heard like coming from
I was
it.
flipping the parking light switch. That's what that was.
With it off?
Yeah, that was with it off, I think. Let me check.
Unexpectedly almost caught the truck on fire. Something just shorted out. I think I should probably unhook the battery before this truck ends up going up in flames. I've already put like 600 bucks worth of parts into the financial mistake, and well, it's not being the Mr. Not So Nice guy. It won't even do it. Oh shit! I just heard a spark. So from there, I don't think we're gonna be bothering with the switches anymore. We're all just standing here laughing in confusion at this thing. Like, it's never done this before. This is really just crazy. I honestly don't know how to explain this. It's, what would you say?
It's just crazy. Bat shit crazy, let me tell you.
Alright, I'll catch you all later. Thank you guys for 200 subs again. Anyways, hope you like and subscribe. This is just a teaser video, so of course it's going to be literal crap. So, alright, I'll see y'all in the next one.